be fun because car show, right?
Aha. Say hey. This is Christy. Christy knows how to smile.
We're at this one.
You were at
All right. You'll be next. All right.
So, alright, here's a
All right, and here he is. Let's see those eyeballs. A chipmunk.
Chipmunk.
Ugly one.
Ugly ones out there.
Yeah. Let's see. He's got his George and a card
Hi, George.
and his machine that he doesn't have to use anymore.
Who's George from?
Jay.
And somebody brought him flowers.
We've had him before.
That's about all he's got.
It's got a bit of a
Oh, he got a case of iced tea.
Yeah.
Oh, and yeah, she brought by a lizard. There we go. Here he is eating. Pretty exciting, I can tell you. Alrighty. Oh, what's the matter? You just signed a big contract, dear. What the hell's the deal?
Hey, baby.
All right. Oh, it's still going. How do you set it off? Yeah. Let's keep on. Still trying to go.
Weird.
My button's weird? Thanks.
It's the same phone.